Physics for Grade 12. Newton's laws of motion and astronomy. Newton's law of gravitation is used to describe the motion of the moon around a planet and the motion of the planets around the sun. Newton was able to explain why Kepler's laws described planetary motion using his laws of motion and gravity. The knowledge of centripetal force and centrifugal force from our physics knowledge greatly help us to understand what keeps objects in orbit around others. This applies to planets orbiting the Sun, moons orbiting planets, and artificial satellites in Earth's zero-south orbit. Furthermore, understanding the concept of gravitational force allows us to predict the motion of celestial bodies with great accuracy. By applying Newton's laws, scientists and engineers can calculate the trajectories of spacecraft, launch satellites into specific orbits, and successfully navigate spacecraft through our solar system. The ability to comprehend and utilize these fundamental principles of physics has been instrumental in advancing our understanding of the universe and enabling human exploration beyond Earth's bounds. Physics of electromagnetic wave and astronomy. Astronomers collect information about the radiation from space objects to study the birth and death of stars, how hot objects are, how far away they are, even how the universe was formed. Astronomers use telescopes that detect different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Each type of telescope can only detect one part of the electromagnetic spectrum. There are radio telescopes, infrared telescopes, optical visible light telescopes, and so on. We can't see most of the radiation detected, so computers turn data into images we can see. Physics of atoms and astronomy. Brainstorming question 1.6. What do emission and absorption of light by an object tell us? Atomic astrophysics is concerned with performing atomic physics calculations that will be useful to astronomers and using atomic data to interpret astronomical observations. The astronomer's only information about a particular object comes through the light that it emits, and this light arises through atomic transitions. The physics that explains emission and absorption of radiation is closely related to the structure and energies of individual atoms that form the astronomical objects. When electrons of atoms jump from higher to a lower atomic orbit, photon is emitted. Photon is absorbed if electron jumps from lower electron orbit to higher electron orbit. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and leave comment for next video.